Alright, YouTube, I got some shit. Listen to this.
Oh, that's the way to the park.
Kathy likes to take her grandson Joe around Ottawa in her 2011 Ford Fusion.
There's the park. See, Joe? Just past it.
When a car needs to be serviced, she and her husband Craig always take it back to the dealership.
Of course they do.
Why is it important for you to go to the dealership to do your maintenance? They know the car best, and I just have confidence in them.
You develop a relationship, you depend on them to give you advice. When they give you advice, you take it.
So I want to say this. How many times do you go to the dealership and you have the same service writer? Pretty much not lucky, so how are you building a relationship? And you don't even usually get to talk to the technician. But we'll keep going with this story. It gets better.
Last fall, Kathy needed her snow tires put on, so Craig makes an appointment online with their dealership. But get this, before even inspecting her car, he gets an email back telling him it's also due for factory required maintenance.
That's correct. Not only are you due for an oil change and winter snow tires, but your vehicle has mileage intervals and year intervals depending on severity of service, right? Severe service, heavy service, light service, no service. What services are due? Stay with me.
I was changing the spark plugs in the intake manifold gasket and changing the transmission fluid, the PCV valve. Holy cow, $1,200 worth of stuff. I was just going to get the snow tires put on and an oil change.
An oil change is not complete maintenance. Snow tires is actually maintenance too. You're maintaining your vehicle for the climate. So, customer thought he was going in for just tires and an oil change, and the dealership saying, hey, wait a second, we're advising you your car is due for maintenance. An oil change is only some of the maintenance, not all of the maintenance. Let's keep going, it gets even better. There's actually a clown in this one.
Time to get a second opinion.
Cars today absolutely, unequivocally require less service.
Unequivocally from this guy. He's unequivocally it needs less service. It gets better.
So how do I know when I go to the dealership what maintenance I really need?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, it's really easy.
You go to your car,
Yeah.
The Book of Lies, the owner's manual. The Book of Lies. And if that book had any accuracy today, people's vehicles wouldn't have blown up transmissions, carbon valves, dirty fuel injectors, dirty throttle bodies, clogged cabin air filters, differentials and transfer cases grenading because they hold less than a quart of oil. But this clown here is good. You guys might want to hire him. Let's hear what he says. Unequivocally.
Pull out your owner's manual.
we take out the owner's manual. And right here is the required maintenance schedule. In it will be exactly what needs to be changed, what exactly needs to be inspected. These people designed and built the car.
This guy. All he's missing is the little thing on his nose. Your owner's manual is a lie. It is not exactly what your car needs. It doesn't say if you drive in mud, snow, and rain 24 hours a day, your car is going to require sooner maintenance. It doesn't say, Mr. Customer, do you know your brand new Subaru differentials hold less than 1 quart of fluid? Let's keep rolling on. This guy's funny. So this is kind of where I stopped it. I kind of laughed after he said equivocally needs less maintenance. This dude's so wrong.
They are the source of information when it comes to maintaining the car.
They have no clue. They have no clue. They test nothing. That is, you could take that and wipe your butt with it in the woods. Let's keep going.
What the manufacturer suggests in the owner's manual for maintenance and what the dealership suggests are two different things?
In most cases, yes, that's true. They'll tell you that you need more maintenance than your car actually needs. In some cases, some maintenance procedures your car doesn't require at all.
Do you hear what he said? Some maintenance procedures your vehicle doesn't require at all. Lifetime transmission fluid, antifreeze, gear oil. F it, don't even change your engine oil. Let's keep going. The dealership have no idea what it takes to maintenance these cars today. As they see it fail in their bays is as fast as they're changing the language, and they're not changing it in the owner's manual. Hence why manufacturers say, whoa, let's stop changing oil at 10,000 miles. Let's not go past 5,000. And then Kia and Hyundai are saying, hey, you better not go over 3,750 miles on an oil change. Read your owner's manual. It'll probably say don't change your oil until the rod's